The oven's warm, the bells all chime. It's baking magic Christmas time. From dough and spice, a happy sight. Our cookie friends so sweet and bright. Oh, we're the Christmas cookie crew. So many shapes for me and you. With sprinkles, icing warm and grand. The best sweet treats in all the land. Here comes the star with glitter and gleam, shining so brightly, a sugary dream. The gingerbread man, he loves to run with frosting buttons full of fun. A tiny bell rings soft and low, a sugary sound, a happy glow. The graceful angel takes a flight with sugar wings, a dazzling sight. The candy cane with stripes so bold, a peppermint story often told. A cozy stocking filled with cheer, waiting for Santa drawing near. The big green tree stands tall and wide, with candy lights where flavors hide. A little heart so full of grace, sharing kindness in this sweet place. The reindeer prances swift and quick, with chocolate antlers a tasty trick. And last around and jolly ornament bright, hanging with joy, a festive delight. So pick your favorite, don't delay. Eat a delicious cookie today. Merry Christmas, hooray!